Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, the 20th of December, 2024. We are getting close to the end, ladies and gentlemen. Next week, we will not have any Trade with Robs. We are closed as a company for the week. We'll pick back up, hopefully, the beginning of the following week as we get ready into the new year, but certainly for the new year. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so we have two candidates that went off from last update we did, which was trades for the 18th. So for yesterday, big day, big day on the S&P yesterday. Thank you, Jay Powell. So let me grab these two candidates for today, from yesterday. The first one was ELV. All right, so ELV, and again, you got to look at yesterday's candle. All right, so right here. So we wound up, we'll go to 5-minute chart, we'll look at yesterday. All right, there we go. So we pushed up, we retested, we bounced, beautiful bullish entry, and then Powell came out and talked. Woo! So at the end of the day, we wound up giving back just a little bit. Wasn't crazy, but we wound up closing below our 367.45 support. We were not stopped out until the end of the day, about 15 minutes prior to the market close. So we got in, and I'll share the numbers with you, but we're down about 180 bucks on that trade. Right, on ELV. It's been a bit since we've had one go against us, November 19th. So no harm, no foul. Last one that went off was DE. Right, also yesterday. Right, so if we look at a 5-minute chart, what in the world happened? We failed, we retested, and we dropped. Beautiful. Great run. Wow. But we were out of it, based on this fib line here. So we were at about 433. So we didn't get it to the end of the day. We got it off of the bounce for that end of day setup, right? So we got off of the bounce, right in here. We didn't get it all the way to the end. So here's our numbers right now as we stand. So we've got, DE and ELV are the two that we just did. So we had $180 went against us, 504 for the win. Less than our average went against us, more than double our win. I love when that happens. So we've got 53 winners, 12 that have gone against us, 3 that are break even. 77, almost 78% of our trades are winning trades. We're on an average of $210.05 over the 68 trades, not over the 53 winners, but on all 68. And we've got a P&L this year from June 25th of 2024 of $14,283.24. So overall, I am not all that disappointed in what our numbers look like today. All right. So with that, let's go ahead and start off with S&P, and let's see what it will be for you and me. So yesterday, again, really rough day after Powell spoke yesterday. Everything was fine on the announcement of the quarter-point drop, the rate cut. Everything was okay. He came out and said only two cuts next year they're anticipating, where they weren't anticipating more. So that was part of it. The way he answered some of the questions, the concerns of the markets and the likes just drove us down 175, 8, something like that points yesterday. Just massive. All right, so right now we're in a bearish bias. We're at a rank of 2, sitting right at that 0 line. I like where we're at, but yesterday has put a whole different spin on the ball game for us. All right, so we've got 3 trades set up for today. The very first one is CHTR. I love the way this sucker is setting up. Now we have 8 or 9 minutes left till the market closes. We're in a bearish bias, so we're going to go red first. Move down, retest, fail. Right, take the trade on the fail. Stop is just on the other side. If you're at 338, you're probably looking at about 340 is your target. And for the upside, we'll switch colors. Ooh, I probably can't use white. Let's change that over to something a little bit more feasible. Let's use blue. Right, so I would want to move up, a pullback, and a bounce. If we get that, we're going to take the entry off of the bounce. Bounces off that 353 basically. Stop will be just down below support. My target is going to be under that 364, probably about 362. for the target. So that's the first one. We got a true switchback there. We could go both directions with it. DPST, true switchback. We can go both ways with it, right? And let's see. Again, today was a great day for the start. It gapped up, right? But let me get rid of that crosshair, get that out of our way. So I like this better to the downside right now. So we're looking at the small move down, the retest, and the fail. 100 is our support. So guys, we're looking at like 101 is my target on the downside. Okay, so we don't have a lot of room to the downside there. My stop's just on the other side. The upside target, now that one I like a lot. Move up, retest, bounce. We got 121 as the target. We're looking at 120. I mean, 121 is resistance. We're looking at 120 as the target, right? The entry comes in on the bounce and the stop just down below. So again, two of them so far are true switchback trades, and the third one also a true switchback trade. So although I do like one direction much better than the other, and that is the downside. We're in a neutral bias right now. Small move down, a retest and a fail. Right, we'll take the trade off of the fail. Stop will be just on the other side of that 268 level. We're looking at a target here of about 259. 259 and a half, 260, somewhere in that range, okay? On the upside, I'm okay with it, but I'm not as excited about it. Small move up, retest, bounce, right? We got 271 is resistance. Yeah, by the time I get my bounce, get out before, I'm not interested in the upside. So two of our three are true switchback trades. The other one, we got one direction only. We got the bearish side of it going there. So being up $14,283 in jingle is not too shabby for half a year. And this is one contract, one trade, following one systematic approach. That's it. All right. And of course, all of these are for educational purposes. With that, everybody have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now.